It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Youth Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'm doing a review of the cheap houses we visited. First I would like to start with this Bedsitter at Waiyaki Way, which was going for
It don't matter where we go.
11,000 Kenyan shillings. And the reason it was going for that amount is because it's just close to the road. So from here you can directly see the road. The road, should I call the main road, just behind just in front of the house is the main road. That's why it was going for that amount. But a bedsitter that was inside was going for 8,500 shillings and 8,000 Kenyan shillings.
It don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with
So some of the observation is just how spacious the washroom was and how spacious the combined living area was.
you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what.
So this one is the one that is now found on the inside. Like this here was going for 8,500 shillings. And as you can see, it's also spacious.
Everything will be alright.
And it's well designed, I can say.
Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
So this is one of the houses we also looked at, and this one is a one bedroom and it's going for 16,000 Kenyan shillings. For me it was cheap. According to me it was cheap because considering how it's been constructed both on the inside and on the outside, I felt it's very spacious and it's not traditionally, shall I say traditionally built, or okay, let me just say it's modernized. It was kind of modernized. So this is how the kitchen was looking like, and as you can see, it's looking so nice. This is another house we visited. This one is found in Kasarani, and if you didn't watch the full video, you can just go to the link on the description box and watch the video. You can tap on the playlist or just look for the house. On the thumbnail I've put the picture of the house so you'll know which video to watch, or you can also watch all of them, it won't hurt. So this is how it was looking like. Too bad I really didn't take a very good video of this, but it was a very nice house. So this is the another one we visited. This one is found in Muthaiga. It was comprising of studios and one bedroom. I think this is one of the most modernized I looked at, and recently built. Not old building. Like the floor tiles were very good looking. The finishing of the house was very good. This was the bedroom. Yeah, the one bedroom. So if you look at the kitchen, just look at those tiles, very shiny. And the kitchen is not that squeezed. As much as it wasn't that spacious, the kitchen wasn't that spacious, it's still a very good kitchen. So I'm guessing, I think the price of the house just depends with how the house looks like, because sometimes houses are priced according to the lighting. Yeah, houses that have good lightings are very expensive. So this one was also found in Muthaiga, and what I loved about this one majorly is the spacious sitting room. It has the biggest spacious sitting room. So this was the kitchen, and the good thing about the house also, it had a laundry area. Like all the houses I've showcased, there is none that had a laundry area except this one. So this is the laundry area where you just wash your clothes. One of the things I loved about the house, before I forget, it was also a newly built house. 10 were vacant, more than 20 if I may say, because it was going up to 8th floor. Yeah, not sure about that one, I'll have to confirm. So this is the spacious sitting room I was talking about that made me fall in love with this house. So let me take you to the master bedroom. You see how the master bedroom is, and it has its own balcony. Just look at it. And what I loved about this house again was how good the lighting was. So these many openings are making the lighting of the master, especially the master bedroom, have enough lighting. You can see, just look at it from here.
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight, 'cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be.
So this was the washroom.
It don't matter what we say.
Washroom of the master bedroom, combined bathroom and toilet. Have you ever seen a master ENSUITE that has separate toilet and bathroom? I've never seen, but maybe one day I will.
Everything will be alright when I'm with you.
The finishes of this house was also nice, like well finished. The second bedroom of the house. Oh, I forgot about the prices. So this one was going for this one was really well constructed, quite expensive. It was going for 35, not 35 but 33,000 Kenyan shillings. Now this is the big spacious sitting room, or I should say living room, whatever you prefer to call it. Yeah,
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter.
so this house, I will not showcase the inside of it. If you want to see the whole of it, go to the videos on the description box and see the house. So this is another one we showcased. This one was called Falcon Apartments. Yeah, this one is found in Kihunguro, a very big house going for only 25,000 Kenyan shillings, and it's a 2-bedroom house going for 25,000 Kenyan shillings. So what this person focused on is the space on the sitting room. But the house itself is also bright. It's a bright house. Only bad thing is you couldn't tell the difference between the master bedroom and the second bedroom. Should I call it, if one is master, what should the next one be called? So this one is another house we looked at. The inside of the house looked like this. This one is also found in Kihunguro, and I think this is among the few cheap 2-bedroom master ENSUITE house I've seen, because this one was going for 23,000. All the master ENSUITE I found were going for 25,000, so quite cheap. This is the living area. I'm not going to showcase the house in details because I've already showcased them in different videos in details. So if you want to see a specific house in detail, you can just check on the links on the description box and go to the videos and see the full video. This one was called Elimu Sheds. Also, the video is not here, and this one is found in Hunters too. I know I've showcased a lot of houses in Kasarani, but that's because most of my viewers are in Kasarani. You guys want me to bring you this content. Most of the inquiries I find are for Kasarani. That's why most of my videos are for Kasarani houses. This was a 1-bedroom, an open kitchen. So they didn't build that thing, what is it called, that separation wall that separates the kitchen and the living area. So it was just plain like this, but it wasn't that expensive, so I guess it's worth the money. This one was going for 12,000 only, 12,000 Kenyan shillings, and it's big. I can say 12,000 is okay for the house. So this is its bedroom. Remember, if you want to see the house in details, they're going to be linked on the description box. So I've just saved the whole videos in a playlist called house hunting videos, because I didn't want to put separately because I have a lot of videos for house hunting. So in the same building, look at a bedsitter, and this is how the bedsitter looked like. The bedsitter was going for 8,500, which was cheap for me. 8,500, and you'll find a bedsitter like this. That is this is a 2-bedroom master ENSUITE going for 25,000, 28, not 25, but 28,000 Kenyan shillings. So you can just compare the prices and compare the houses. So space matters, lighting matters, building, whether new or old, matters. That is how prices is determined. Actually, I'm going to do a video talking about how prices are determined in houses in different locations. So this video is not for so much details. I think I've shown details of every house in this video in a different video. So if a house, you feel like you want to see details of a specific house, you know where to find the video. This is among the houses that I really loved the exterior, how the exterior looks like. Bad thing about it, I really didn't find even a single vacant on the building. It was completely full from top to bottom. Unlucky me and unlucky you, because the videos are for you. So the Palmer Height, this one was also a newly constructed apartment. It wasn't completely constructed by then, but I've gone there recently and it's been completely constructed. And to close the video, finally we went to China Square Mall. If you haven't watched the link, That is it for today's video. It wasn't so much. I was just talking about the videos. I was just reviewing the videos we've showcased in the month of February. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and don't forget to hit that subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Waiting, are you?